In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front valance on this Cadillac SRX. It's going to be located underneath the front bumper. Let's get into it. On the side here, we're going to take these two screws out on the inner fender well. You can remove the wheel if you need to, but just turning it to the side should work fine. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, take these screws out. Take those out. You want to do the same on the other side. Just turn the wheel. On the passenger side, you actually have 3 screws you need to take out. Same Phillips head. We're going to remove these screws, use a 10mm socket. Around the perimeter of the valance, we're going to take out these screws. We're going to use a 7mm socket. Take all those out. To get those out, and then it slides right out. Now slide this in place. There's a tab right there. You want to make sure that's lined up. Push that in. We're going to get these center screws, get these started. I'm not going to tighten these, I'll just get those started. Make sure these are all in the right position as well. Alright, that's started. And get these screws started. And get these screws started on the other side. All right, that's good. And put all these screws in. These ones I'll just tighten down as I go. And we'll go back and tighten the other ones down. Now tighten these down. And the other side. And tighten the center ones down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.